Hello, I'm Sriyangden, and today we'll be presenting our case study on Netflix, a global leader in the streaming industry. We'll focus on how Netflix effectively harnesses social media to drive its success through collaboration, marketing, management, and productivity strategies. Netflix began as a DVD rental service by mail, offering a convenient alternative to video rental stores. Over time, it adapted to changing consumer preferences, evolving into a renowned online streaming platform. Currently, Netflix has over 260 million subscribers worldwide, making it a dominant player in the streaming industry. But with growth comes complexity. The vast library of content leads to unlimited choices, which means more decision fatigue, and growing consumer base leads to a lack of personalized content and overall a lack of user engagement. Content overload means users are faced with an array of options, and with more choices, the harder it becomes to decide. The paradox of choice can overwhelm users and turn it into a time consuming task. To address these challenges, Netflix developed a social media strategy. Curated content through data analytics. Netflix uses data analytics to personalize recommendations, helping reduce decision fatigue by offering tailored content to viewers. Number two, user engagement on social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter are used to promote content, engage users, and foster a sense of community, keeping subscribers connected and excited about new releases. And recruitment via LinkedIn. Netflix utilizes LinkedIn to attract top management talent, improving productivity and ensuring smooth global operations.
I'm Shravani Penmetsa. Now I'm going to continue the presentation by adding upon the challenges and discussions of Netflix. First, coming to the challenges, in the past, Netflix encountered various key obstacles in collaboration, marketing, human resources, and productivity before embracing the modern technology and social media. And these challenges were closely linked to their physical DVD rental model, limited and there is only limited online presence, and there are many operational inefficiencies. Coming to the challenges in collaboration, before technology, Netflix dealt with the difficulty of managing geographical dispersed teams, leading to the communications and project management challenges. And the teams are completely relied on the traditional communication methods such as emails and face-to-face meetings, which became very inefficient as Netflix has globally expanded. And after adopting the technology and the social media, Netflix implemented collaboration tools like Slack and Microsoft Teams, which feature social media style functionalities such as instant messaging, files sharing, group chats, everything. Then coming to the challenges in marketing, before the social media and technology, this marketing posed significant challenges in the early 2000s as Netflix mainly relied on traditional channels such as TV and print ads, which were very expensive, and the absence of customer data hindered it's very hard Netflix forget all the information from the customers. But after the technology and the social media, social media platforms which we see nowadays like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, they became very efficient to use, and like Twitter and YouTube and Facebook, they started they started playing an important role for Netflix as Netflix began utilizing these channels for digital marketing. Next, coming to the challenges in human resources. Netflix encountered difficulties in scaling its workforce and managing HR operations like very efficiency, recruitment process, uh, and the hiring process. It's very difficult for Netflix as it completely depended on traditional job postings and word of mouth limiting to reach the employers. Additionally, internal communication was slow and employee engagement was very low, and especially in a growing global workforce. After adopting the social media in human resource, Netflix revamped its HR practices by integrating LinkedIn, Twitter, and other social media platforms and for recruiting and also for the employer branding strategies. The next one is challenges in productivity. Before technology, productivity issues arose from the Netflix reliance on traditional communication methods, manual processes, and limited data driven decision making. Employees spend significant time on the repetitive tasks such as responding to customers' inquiries, managing content inventory, and processing DVD orders, and slowing down all the operations and reducing the efficiency. After the adopt After getting technology and social media in use, Netflix started leveraging the IT and social media by internal communication tools. Netflix actually automated many manual processes and improved overall productivity. Project management tools like Monday.com, and this is integrated with social media features and it allows teams to track the tasks in real time and assign responsibilities and monitor the progress like according to the departments. And additionally, AI driven social media monitoring help the Netflix gather all the customers feedback very quickly and enabling teams to make the data driven decisions to make the data driven decisions that have improved the workflow and the customer satisfaction, which is really important for the productivity. And our next part is discussions. Actually, there is nothing much to mention in the discussions because I have mentioned a lot in the challenges. But Netflix transformation from a DVD rental service to a global streaming powerhouse is was fueled by the series of strategic choices, and the strategic choices are nothing but the internal tools which we can see that in the picture. The internal tools are LinkedIn, Slack, Instagram, Twitter, Microsoft Teams, AWS. AWS generally stands for Amazon Web Services. These are the internal tools which help Netflix to use the social media to adopt the technology to give a better performance, to give better customer satisfaction. And this is as Netflix being a globally expanded company, it needs this kind of change to be in a better position in the world. Thank you.
So I'm explaining about implementing solutions. So here I have concentrated on four things such as collaboration challenges, marketing challenges, human resource challenges, and productivity challenges. So when it comes to collaboration challenges, what I say is Netflix has implemented cloud-based technologies such as AWS to centralize data and operations, facilitating cross platform team collaboration. So, this solution not only met but also surpassed expectations, enabling Netflix to coordinate operations across borders, break down organizational walls, and react to issues faster. So, real time collaboration among teams could increase outputs. So now when it comes to second thing, marketing challenges. So what I say is Netflix tailored their marketing companions and recommendations by examining user behavior data such as Twitter and Facebook and Instagram became essential for promoting materials, and Netflix created specialized profile on these sites. Like Netflix is not a joke for comedy content and strong black lead for African American content. This interaction strengthened ties between the viewers and produced viral ads. So this is how happened, how strong it is in the marketing challenges. And when it comes to the human resource challenges, by implementing its now famous freedom and responsibility culture and providing digital tools to support it, Netflix transformed its HR strategies like LinkedIn, social networking, and automated HR software were among the tools utilized to increase employee engagement, find talent worldwide, and improve team communication. So, this is how HR is using AI. So, when it comes to the fourth thing, productivity challenges, what I say is in addition to content recommendations, algorithms were used to improve internal operations, including several administration and customer service. So, workflow efficiency across departments has been increased through the adoption of productivity technologies. And by greater increasing operational efficiency, the productivity tools and automation put in place throughout Netflix transformation satisfied the company's need. So, this is how the solutions were implemented in the four categories. Thank you.
Thank you so much, the team members, for the above slides. And this is Vishala. I am giving a presentation of our group case study of conclusion and the recommendation part. As we comes to the conclusion part, it is with the emergence of TV networks like Netflix that the way we watch films and the TV shows is radically changed now. A company that was once a simple DVD rental operator has today it's grown into a serious streaming company with its services available in all parts of the world. This is only possible because they managed to readopt and they continue to innovate the technology. It was their calculate embrace of such tools as social media and the AI that have propelled them to the level they currently find themselves now. However, Netflix as it grows and changes must never be forgotten. The beneath the data and the algorithms therein is a human touch. In this era of the technology that can allow us to make the process smoother and also reduce the cost of operation because we had a fewer workers, the real impact comes from the human interaction. Thank you so much. Here are some recommendations to ensure Netflix remains at the forefront of the entertainment industry. The first point is the personalization with the human touch. While Netflix algorithms are impressive, a human touch can make recommendations even more personalized. Consider offering options like curated playlist by human editors or recommendation from the friends. And the second point is the localizer with care. While translating the content is important, understanding local nuisance and the cultural preferences is crucial. Producing original content that resonates with the local audience can foster deeper connections. And the third point is a prioritize people and culture. Technology is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity and connections. Invest in a work culture that fosters innovation and collaboration and employee well-being. And the fourth point is comes to the experiment and engage. Stay ahead of the curve by exploring new platforms and formats. Interactive experience and influencers collaboration and the short form of contents and can engage audience in the unique ways. Streamlines without sacrificing experience. While automation is essential, ensure it does not compromise its user experience. Continuously evaluate process to find opportunities for improvement without sacrificing its quality. And the last point is guide and do not overwhelm. Provide tools to help users navigate the vast libraries and also offers more granular filtering options and the personal suggestions based on their viewing habits. All those by striking a balance between the technology and the human connection, Netflix can continue to delight its audience and stay ahead of the competition. Thank you very much.